Vibe Lady welcome to my channel.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another session on Vibe with the DMM. So today we are styling a wet curl wig, okay? So it's a wet curl. So what I'm doing right there is just making sure I pat my hair into sections before I start working to make my work easy for me, okay? So these are the items I'm going to use or ingredients I'm going to use. I'm going to just use a hair mist, a curl keeper, mousse, and detangling brush, okay? So it's a wet curl, my baby. So all you need to do is to spray water in the hair to make it moist and wet, okay? It has to be very, very wet to make your work easy for you. So what I did right there was just to spray water, and it's just normal water in my spray bottle, and then just uh, to make the hair wet, and then I started working. So I went ahead to spray my hair mist in it. So this actually gives it a shine and moisturize the hair to make it more easy for you to work on. And then I went ahead to mix my mousse and my curl keeper in one bottle, and then I went ahead to spray that as well on it. Look how wet that hair is, and look at how the curls are coming out. Yeah. So yeah, this is a session for defining your wet curl. So yes, the curls have to pop up, okay? So these curls are really popping up. So I'm just going to go ahead with the same process for every session. So you spray water first to moisturize the hair, add your hair mist to it, and then went ahead to spray the mixture of my mousse and then my curl keeper. Okay. So before this, I actually add my hair oil, a little bit of hair oil to give it a shine before I went ahead to do all this. But when you finish everything, you can still apply your hair oil in it a little, not too much. Too much of the hair oil do bad to the hair. Okay. All right. So that's how it is looking. Look how these curls are coming out. So beautiful. You could see the difference between the wet and then the dry, right? So we are just defining our curls. So yeah, sometimes you can decide to wear it as an afro, a puffy hair, but sometimes you just need to wet it to make it more silky and beautiful for us to wear. So yeah, if you want your wig curls, your wigs to be defined, the curls to be defined, need my services. Shade is available for you. But this is me telling you that you can do this as well if you don't you think you don't have, you are not close to me, and you want to do it yourself, okay? So it is easy to do. So I just went ahead to, after everything, I just went ahead to add my curl keeper again, a little bit of it into the hair, comb through. Of course, you have to comb through to make sure there's no tangling anywhere and everything's looking perfect and beautiful. Then I went ahead to spray my hair mist again. Yeah, the hair mist is for shine and silkiness. So yeah, why not keep on doing that as well? And it's looking so beautiful. Yeah, so the items I use, I've already mentioned them. I use my water, my hair mist, my mousse, my curl keeper. And look at how that the curls are looking so beautiful. Yay! Baby is beautiful and silky, right? Yeah. So that's how it is looking when it is wet. I'm going to show you right away how it looks after everything gets dried and you compare all. I already have a video on how to tweeze your frontal wig. You see how defined the frontal is also looking. The video is there. You can just look it up. And wow, this is the dry version of the wet curl wig. Look at how we just did. Look at how the curls are popping. Look at how the curls are more defined. Yeah, so classy, right? You can do this as well at home. It's so easy and fast to do. It doesn't really take time at all. As far as your hair, actually don't do this on a very dirty hair. You have to make sure you shampoo and condition the hair first before you do that. So this hair has been conditioned and shampooed and conditioned before we started defining the curls. Yeah, so beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch, comment, and share my videos. Please watch and share my videos for me. I really, really appreciate that.